Hello everyone, I am ShashiKant, and in this video I am going to solve Image AAC CET 2017 question paper, which is for admission in Bachelors of Fine Arts. So without further ado, let's start. Question number 1. GIF is known as, options are A. Graphic Interchange Format, B. Graphics in Films, C. Guild in Fine Arts, D. Graphics Inlay Format. And the correct answer is A. Graphic Interchange Format. The Graphics Interchange Format. It's a bitmap image format that was developed by a team at the online service provider CompuServe, led by American computer scientist Steve Wilhite on 15th June 1987. Question number 2. ISI is known as A. Trademark, B. Certification mark, C. Watermark, D. Direction mark. And the correct answer is B. Certification mark. ISI stands for Indian Standard Institute. It provides an ISI mark, which is a certification mark for industrial products in India. This mark ensures that the product conforms to the Indian standard mentioned by Indian Standard Institute. Question number 3. Size of an A4 paper. Options are A. 210 into 297 mm, B. 148 into 210 mm, C. 9 into 11 inches, D. 5.8 into 8.3 inches. And the correct answer is A. 210 into 297 mm. Question number 4. Analogous colors. A. Yellow violet, B. Yellow orange, C. Red orange, D. Green red. And the correct answer is C. Red orange. Question number 5. Which of the following was one of the great achievements of the Indus Valley Civilization? A. Number system, B. Sophisticated plumbing and sewage system, C. Advanced weaponry, D. Graphic script. And the correct answer is B. Sophisticated plumbing and sewage system. Question number 6. Shapes and or forms similar to those found in nature. A. Geometric, B. Pattern, C. Organic, D. Texture. And the correct answer is A. Geometric. Question number 7. Relief is term for sculpture that appears to be raised above the background plane. Options are A. True, B. False. And the correct answer is A. True. Question number 8. Sculpture is artwork. So it's like sculpture is an artwork that is blank dimensional. A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, D. None. And the correct answer is C. 3-dimensional. Question number 9. The process used to create sculpture is assembling, carving, casting and modeling. Options are A. True, B. False. And the correct answer is A. True. Sculptors primarily use 4 basic techniques. Number 1. Carving. Carving involves cutting or chipping away a shape from a mass of stone, wood or other hard material. It is a subtractive process. Number 2. Casting. Sculptures that are made from material that is melted down, usually a metal, that is then poured into a mold, and mold is allowed it to cool, therefore hardening the metal, usually bronze. Casting is an additive process. Number 3. Modeling. Model sculptures are created when a soft material such as clay is built up over an armature and shaped to create a form. Modeling is an additive process. Assembling. Sculptors gather and join different materials to create an assembled sculpture. Assembling is an additive process. Question number 10. Michelangelo sculpted the famous statue of David. Options are A. True, B. False. And the correct answer is A. True. Question number 11. Choose the medium that would be best suited for additive sculpting. A. Brick, B. Clay, C. Stone, D. Iron. And the correct answer is B. Clay. Question number 12. A technique for creating forms by mixing wet paper pulp with glue or paste called A. Gesso, B. Collage, C. Still life, D. Paper mache. And the correct answer is D. Paper mache. Question number 13. Artificial silk is A. Rayon, B. Polyester, C. Acrylic, D. Acetate. And the correct answer is A. Rayon. Question number 14. The basic elements of woven design are A. Design and draft, B. Draft and peg plan, C. Peg plan and denting plan, D. Design, draft, peg plan. And the correct answer is D. Design, draft, peg plan. Question number 15. The scientific study of measurements of proportions of the human body is called A. Anatomy, B. Anthropology, C. Anthropometry, D. Architecture. And the correct answer is C. Anthropometry. Question number 16. One strip is covered with hooks and the other with very fine loops. A. Lace, B. Velcro, C. Zippers, D. Buttons. And the correct answer is B. Velcro. Question number 17. King of fibers is A. Cotton, B. Jute, C. Silk, D. Nylon. And the correct answer is A. Cotton. Question number 18. Which fiber is popularly called golden fiber? Options are A. Flax, B. Jute, C. Cotton, D. Silk. And the correct answer is B. Jute. Question number 19. Ingredients of traditional ceramics. Options are A. Silica, B. Clay, C. Feldspar, D. All. And the correct answer is D. All. Question number 20. Most commercial glasses consist of A. Lime, B. Soda, C. Silica, D. All. And the correct answer is D. All. Question number 21. The word ceramic meant for A. Solid material, B. Hard material, C. Burnt material, D. Dry material. And the correct answer is C. Burnt material. Question number 22. Pixel. Options are A. Smallest dot of half tone, B. Smallest component of digital image, C. Coating of a film, D. Surface of photo paper. And the correct answer is B. Smallest component of digital image. Question number 23. Aperture. A. Shape of a lens, B. Part of camera that stops light, C. Part of lens that admits light, D. Length of a lens. And the correct answer is C. Part of lens that admits light. Question number 24. Which was the first newspaper published in India? Options are A. Times of India, B. Hindustan Times, C. Bengal Gazette, D. Statesman. And the correct answer is Hickey's Bengal Gazette, but you can call it Bengal Gazette. Option number C is right. Question number 25. In which year the Copyright Act came into force? A. 1947, B. 1957, C. 1942, D. 1952. And the correct answer is B. 1957. Question number 26. Evidence of earliest rock cut architecture was found at A. Ajanta Caves, B. Lomas Rishi Caves, C. Kailash Nath Temple, Ellora, D. Badami Caves. And the correct answer is B. Lomas Rishi Caves. I am not very sure about this answer. Question number 27. In offset printing, images are reproduced. A. Reduced, B. Upside down, C. Reverse, D. Exactly the same. And the correct answer is C. Reverse, though I am not sure about this. Question number 28. One of these elements related to print making. A. Molding, B. Etching, C. Gouache D. Weaving. And the correct answer is B. Etching. Question number 29. The headquarters of the Sahitya Akademi is at A. Kolkata, B. New Delhi, C. Chennai, D. Mumbai. And the correct answer is B. New Delhi. Question number 30. Koodlyattam is A. Traditional dance of Kerala, B. Dress prepare in Goa, again B. Festival of Andhra Pradesh. You can consider this as a C. Festival of Andhra Pradesh, and D. None of these. So the correct answer is A. Traditional dance of Kerala. Question number 31. Sacred book of the Parsis is called A. Torah, B. Bible, C. Gita, D. Zend Avesta. And the correct answer is D. Zend Avesta. Question number 32. Below symbol belongs to A. Maharashtra Police, B. Indian Archaeology, C. Indian Army, D. Indian Army. Okay, answers are same here, C and D. And the correct answer is A. Maharashtra Police. Question number 33. Raja Harishchandra, an early Indian film produced by A. Dadasaheb Phalke, B. Ashok Kumar, C. Gurudutt, and D. Mohan Gokhale. Correct answer is A. Dadasaheb Phalke. Question number 34. Homai Wayerwala is acclaimed as India's first A. lady painter, B. Lady photojournalist, C. Lady Kathak dancer, D. Lady playback singer. And the correct answer is B. Lady photojournalist. Question number 35. Match list 1 with 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the list. So you have to match this and later on you have to find out which answer is correct. So options are: in A group, A. Madhubani, B. Kalamezutu, C. Varli, D. Pattachitra. And in B group, number 1 Kerala, number 2 Odisha, number 3 Maharashtra, number 4 Bihar. And the codes are A2 B1 C3 D4, B A4 B3 C1 D3, C A2 B4 C1 D3, D A4 B1 C1 D2. And the correct answer is none of them. All codes here given, they are wrong. How I will explain that? A. Madhubani is from number 4 Bihar, B. Kalamezuhu from option number 1 Kerala, C. Varli, which is Varli art, from number 3 Maharashtra, D. Pattachitra from number 2 Odisha. So we have now A4 B1 C3 D2. This is the correct answer. And in option, if you are finding the right code as they are asking us to choose, that means option number B is wrong. Checking option number D, B's option is 1 and C's option is 1. It can't be possible. So none of this code is matching to the right answers. So thus all the options given are wrong. Question number 36. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? A. Right to equality, B. Right to property, C. Right to freedom, D. Right to constitutional remedies. And the correct answer is B. Right to property is not a fundamental right. Question number 37. The Great Bath of Harappa civilization has been found at A. Mohenjo-daro, B. Harappa, C. Rangpur, D. Kalibangan. And the correct answer is Mohenjo-daro, option number A. Question number 38. Where is Lumbini, the birthplace of Gautama Buddha, located? Options are A. Nepal, B. Bhutan, C. Sikkim, D. Bihar. And the correct answer is A. Nepal. Question number 39. Fictional superheroes Hulkam, Captain America, Spider-Man, Iron Man, etc. created by A. Stan Lee, B. Len Wei, C. Neil Adams, D. Sudarshan Dheer. Question is partly wrong because Captain America is not created by Stan Lee. Captain America actually created by Joey Simpson and Jack Kirby. So others are created by Stan Lee, option number 1. Question number 40. Choose the correct symbol of rupee. Options are A, B, B, C, D, D. And the correct answer is A. And the correct answer is A. That is correct symbol of rupee.